Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a great day. I wanted to give you an update on my Genesis GV60 and the noise in the hatch. I'll post on this video so you can hear the noise that the car was making before the fix. So I took it to Genesis of Birmingham, probably about 15 miles at the most down the road from me. What was crazy, I was scared because since this car is in Alabama and not in the states that they're allowed to sell right now, I was worried that they wouldn't honor the not really honor the warranty, but wouldn't support the car and fix the car, and that it would have to be sent somewhere else. But I don't know if they've changed the way they're doing that, but Genesis accepted the car and fixed it without a problem, and it was all up underneath the warranty of the car. So what I ended up doing, and I'll open the hatch here. Well, let me go unlock the door. So what I ended up doing was sending it in. I showed them on video what the noise was from the other YouTube video that I created that everybody got to see, so we could hear what the noise was. I brought it with the felt tape still on the junction points, and let me flip over and I'll show you the junction points again. So of course, remember the junction points being here, the hard plastic, and then right here, this is more of a rubber than hard plastic, or at least there's a rubber pieces over that, over some kind of a hard plastic point. But these are the alignment points for the trunk or the hatches that close. So what they ended up doing was, well, first remember I put over felt tape over all these pieces here. So basically I just kind of closed that gap to make it to where they stay touching instead of a little bit off where the or a little bit of a gap where the where when the car was flexing or whatever, that it was rubbing up against both of these points that was causing the noise. So it's going to be hard to tell, but I am going to try to get in there. But as you can see here, maybe this is a good angle here. As you can see inside there, they put washers to space out. Let me see, and I apologize for the camera. Let's see if we can get it to, there we go. So they put washers in on just the points here on the hatch itself, not on the bottom part, but just the hatch. And this is probably a really good spot here. We'll see if I can zoom in. There we go. So as you can see, they put washers on both of these. So basically took this out behind these screws here, take this out behind the two screws. They put washers up underneath them and then cinched them back down, and the noise went completely away. 100% fixed the problem. Now, when the summer rolls by and everything kind of contracts, I'm wondering if these will touch too much, but maybe not. Maybe it'll be perfectly fine. But they even admitted this is a design flaw in this car. And I think other Genesis are having the same problem, as well as Kias and Hondas. I think they're all using the same parts, and I think they're all having the same problem. As it's gotten colder outside, of course, is when things contract. So that's where it gives a little bit of a gap, and then they start rubbing on each other as you're hitting, going over bumps or around corners. Okay, so there you go. So that's the fix. So behind the hard plastic pieces that are inside of behind these hard plastics here, they put the washers and completely solved the problem. So I would say if you're having this issue, go to Genesis, show them the video, show them what we did to fix it, or Genesis of Birmingham fixed it, and they hopefully should be just a quick few minutes to fix it, and you'll be on your way. So thanks for watching another episode of Car Spec Garage, and until the next one, have a great day.